guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Susie and I do videos about food, journaling, ice skating and various other things as well. Today is going to be the preview of my November kits, which are coming out this Friday. So I have been up until now releasing my kits on the second Friday of every month, but I'm now moving them forward. So it's going to be an earlier release. It's going to be the last Friday of the month, but the month prior to what it was before. So I would have been releasing my November kits in about 3 weeks time, but I'm actually just releasing them at the end of this week, so that's exciting. I just wanted to show you the kits I have. I'm super happy with them. I think they're so pretty, and it's a really nice combination overall of all the different designs and patterns. I have my monthly kits as usual, which are for the 7x9 Erin Condren monthly planner, which I use for my budgeting and all my financial things. And then I also have my daily duo kits as well, which are for the 7x9-inch daily duo planner. So I'm going to start with the monthly kits. So we have the November monthly spread kit for the Erin Condren monthly. This one's the Monday start, but I also do have the Sunday start available in my shop as well. Then we've got the budget kit, the weekly check-in, the sinking funds, debt tracker, spending tracker, and transaction log. So that's a really nice kind of pale purple, like a soft kind of lilac-y purple. So at the minute August is a purple month too, but it's a lot more of a deeper, kind of more powerful purple. So this one's a lot softer. Then we have the wide washi to go with it. So we've got the first design, the second one, and the third one. I think they're all so pretty. The thin washi also comes in all of the same designs. So this is an example of the thin washi. For the wide one you get 2 thick strips, and for the thin one you get 6 thin strips. And as I say, this comes in all the same 3 designs as the wide washi does. So those are the monthly kits. Now for the daily duo kits, to begin with, there is the monthly spread for the, as I say, 7x9 daily duo kit. So this is the Monday starting one again, but as I said before, the Sunday starting is also now available in my shop. Then we've got the day headers. Oh, I just think it's so pretty. Look at it. It's gorgeous, if I say so myself. I'm really looking forward to using these. And so that is for the days, and you've got all the monthly dates there. This is one of my newer kits, which is the weekly kit, where you've got a whole variety of different things you can use. These kits are super versatile and really, really nice. So you've pretty much got everything you need for the week in this kit, but of course it depends on how many stickers you like to use and what you want to use them for. So yeah, but this is a really nice option that is new in my shop. Then I also have the dashboard kit as well. This is again a new one that is really, really nice, because it was a while I didn't have this in my shop, and now I do. So I'm very happy to kind of be able to complete the collection with this. So you've got the complete dashboard kit here. Then we've got the decorative strips, the sort of mini washi that you can use on the daily view. Decorative boxes for the daily view as well. Then you've got the large time labels and these small ones. So these are for an hour, these are for half an hour, and you've also got the matching event labels as well. So you've got the small event labels in matching blue and the larger ones in the matching red colour. Then you have the tick boxes. So you've got the rows of 4 and the individual ones as well. You have also got tick boxes on the weekly kit I showed you previously. They come in singular rows. So this is 1 row and there are 5 of them, 1 for each weekday, and then you've also got 2 which will fit into the weekend days as well. So that's really cool. Then you've got the arrows, which will fit into a half-hour slot. The flags, which are the same, they will also fit into a half-hour slot. They also fit into the monthly view very nicely. And then you have these skinny washi. So there are 6 strips there. They fit perfectly at the bottom of each page in the Daily Duo. So yeah, these are all the Daily Duo kits that there are. There are a few new ones, as I say. I'm loving all of these kits. I think they're so pretty. So these will be up in my shop on Friday. They will be up by 8 p.m. BST. And if you remember to use code YouTube, which is down in the description below, then you can get 10% off your order. And then I also know that you come from YouTube. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the new kits. I look forward to sharing them with you guys. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe down below if you like what you see and you would like to see more. Otherwise, I will leave you guys to it. I hope you have a wonderful evening and I will see you next time.